Now let us see Cbse class 11 physics chapter 3. Chapter 3, motion in a plane. What is meant by a plane? A plane consists of x-axis and y-axis. It is a plane. The board is a vertical plane. Therefore, when a body or when an object moves in a plane, we say that it is a plane motion. So this chapter deals with bodies moving in a plane. Now in that we will discuss scalars and vectors. First let us see what are scalars. A scalar is a quantity with magnitude only. It is specified by a single number. So a scalar is a quantity which has got only magnitude. That means there is no direction. We don't specify any direction. That quantity is called a scalar. Right. So what are the examples? Example, temperature of a body. It is a scalar quantity. Temperature 20 degrees centigrade, 25 degrees centigrade, 30 degrees centigrade. So it is a scalar quantity. It has got only magnitude 30, 25 like that. Then mass of the body, kilogram, mass of your body. So maybe 2 kilogram, 3 kilogram, 4 kilogram. So it's a mass. It's only magnitude. We don't specify the direction, though it is a scalar quantity. Then volume of a body. Volume of a body in meter cube, 25 meter cube, 30 meter cube, like that. It is a scalar quantity. Then density of your body. Mass by volume, density in kilogram per meter cube. It is also a scalar quantity. Therefore, this scalar quantity has got only magnitude. There is no direction. We don't specify any direction. Now vectors. A vector quantity is a quantity that has both magnitude and direction. It obeys triangle law of addition and parallelogram law of addition. What are the examples of vector? Velocity. Velocity has got magnitude and it has got direction. A body moves in particular direction from left to right. Force is a vector quantity. A force is acting on a body in a particular direction. Therefore, examples of vector quantity. Velocity is a vector quantity. Force is a vector quantity. Both has got magnitude and direction. Velocity of a body 20 meters per second. It's a magnitude. And it has got one particular direction. It may move from left to right or right to left. Force. A force is acting on your body. Right? What is the force? The force may be 20 newtons, 30 newtons, 40 newtons. It acts on your body at one particular direction. Maybe it will try to move the body from left to right, or it may try to move the body from top to bottom, right? So force has got a particular direction. It has got a magnitude and direction. Therefore, force is another example of a vector quantity. So vector quantity, I told you, vector has got both magnitude and a direction. So velocity vector, a vector has to be represented by a symbol, arrow, by an arrow symbol at the top. This is the vector, this is an arrow, this is the head of the arrow, therefore this is the arrow symbol. Velocity vector, this is called velocity vector. This arrow symbol shows the direction. This arrow symbol shows the direction because it is a vector quantity, it has got some direction. The direction may be from left to right, or it may be top to bottom, right to left, whatever may be, right? But it has got a direction. Therefore, you have to represent a vector, right, using a symbol, right, using this is the velocity vector v, an arrow symbol. Magnitude of the vector, this velocity vector is modulus of v vector. Modulus of v vector is the magnitude. This is an example of vector quantity. Then force, this is the force vector, f vector. This is the vector symbol, it shows the direction, right? So therefore this is a velocity vector, f vector. Magnitude of f vector is modulus of f vector, right? That means here when we write the magnitude, we write like this. Only here this shows that it has, we are taking only the modulus magnitude value, modulus value, without considering the direction. If we write like this directly, then it is a force vector. So this is the force vector, f vector. Magnitude of the force is modulus of f vector. Okay. So this is the force vector. Here this is the velocity vector. Both are vector quantities.